Do your links keep opening in the wrong browser? Let's fix that by making Google Chrome your default browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Default Browser. Click Make Default. Chrome will confirm that it's now your default browser. Set Default. Once this is done, all links from emails, documents, and apps will open directly in Google Chrome. You can change this and then choose Google Chrome Set Default. And that's it. You have successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Chrome tips, and comment below if you want more browser tutorials. Thanks for watching.